We've always wondered what the future would look like for us and for the world. Countless stories have been written and movies made to show what the future might look like. But at the same time, we can be oblivious to the fact that the future is being built just in front of us. Developments in the decentralized finance or DeFi give us a view to the future. Decentralized finance may not give us time travel, but it is for sure going to be part of our future in many ways. Let us talk about some of the emerging sectors in decentralized finance or DeFi. One of the major industries that DeFi is changing is lending. Lending has always been highly centralized by a few intermediaries. DeFi can change that. DeFi lending platforms allow anyone with a crypto wallet to borrow or lend on a peer-to-peer basis without requiring any intermediation. The DeFi lending platforms are trustless systems where trust intermediation is replaced with collateral requirements. Another major segment in DeFi is the decentralized exchange. Decentralized exchanges are crypto exchanges where the intermediaries are replaced with self-executing smart contracts, that is, automated clearing. The decentralized exchanges are also non-custodial, that is, the traders keep the custody of the crypto assets in their own wallets. A related segment in DeFi is derivatives. On these platforms, derivatives for crypto assets are traded as tokens on blockchain networks. For many DeFi platforms, the building blocks are stablecoins. Stablecoins are crypto assets that use some kind of stabilization mechanism to reduce the volatility in the asset price. The stabilization can be achieved through maintaining a portfolio of assets or through using algorithms. The first kind of stablecoins need a custodial system for the assets. The algorithmic stablecoins, on the other hand, do not need any custodial process and can be classified as DeFi stablecoins. Now let us talk about payments. The goal of DeFi payments is to increase anonymity in the transactions. As the crypto ecosystem grows, the risks associated also grows. Crypto wallets, smart contracts and collaterals are some sources of risk. Thus emerged DeFi insurance platforms. These DeFi protocols built on blockchain systems cover insurance protection for crypto assets and infrastructure such as crypto wallet insurance, smart contract coverage, and collateral protection in crypto-backed loans. Now let us talk about some use cases in each segment. Let us start with lending. Aave is the largest DeFi lending platform. Aave is an open source and non-custodial liquidity protocol. Currently, there are more than 25 markets on the Aave protocol, including USD Coin, Wrapped ETH, DAI, WBTC Coin and USDT coins, etc. The total value of the markets together is around 19 billion USD as of 26th August 2021. The Aave protocol allows anyone to interact with a user interface client, API, or directly with the smart contracts on the Ethereum network. So developers can create various applications on top of the Aave protocol. Apart from over-collateralized loans, Aave also supports under-collateralized loans and even non-collateralized loans called flash loans. The flash loans are ultra-short period loans in which liquidity needs to be transferred to the protocol within one block transaction. The governance of the Aave protocol is guided using Aave tokens through a mechanism called Aavenomics. Compound is another DeFi lending platform. Compound is an algorithmic autonomous interest rate protocol built for developers. So developers can create applications on top of this protocol. A protocol is simply a set of rules. So Compound is an interest rate protocol that determines the interest rates based on demand and supply of the assets. Currently, there are 16 active markets on Compound protocol: USD Coin, DAI, Ether, Wrapped BTC, Tether, and Uniswap, etc. Now let us talk about decentralized exchanges. Let's start with IDEX. IDEX is a decentralized exchange currently available on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, with Polkadot and others to follow. IDEX uses a layer 2 scaling solution for faster operations along with off-chain trading engine and order booking. Traders keep the custody of their crypto assets, which are secured by open smart contracts. Kyber Network is another decentralized crypto exchange. Kyber Network is a blockchain-based liquidity hub that connects liquidity from a wide range of sources to power instant and secure crypto exchanges in any decentralized application. Currently, the Kyber network handles more than $5 billion in volume. The platform is governed by Kyber DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Now, let us talk about DeFi derivative platforms. Let us talk about Synthetics. Synthetics is a decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol built on Ethereum. These synthetic assets are collateralized by Synthetics network token, which, when locked in the contract, enables the issuance of synthetic assets or synths. This pooled collateral model enables users to perform conversions between synths directly with the smart contract, avoiding the need for counterparties. Synthetics currently supports synthetic fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. SNX holders are incentivized to stake their tokens as they are paid a pro rata portion of the fees generated through activity on Synthetics exchange based on their contribution to the network. Now let us talk about stablecoins. The most known decentralized stablecoin is DAI. DAI is an Ethereum-based stablecoin issued and managed by Maker Protocol and the MakerDAO Decentralized Autonomous Organization. The price of DAI is soft pegged to the US dollar and is collateralized by a mix of other cryptocurrencies that are deposited into smart contract vaults every time a new DAI is minted. Currently, the market cap of DAI is more than $6 billion. DAI is governed by MakerDAO, which is a decentralized autonomous organization. This is the primary difference from CeFi stablecoins such as USDT. Another decentralized stablecoin is EOSDT. EOSDT describes itself as the first USD-pegged decentralized stablecoin based on the Equilibrium framework and the EOS blockchain. EOSDT is transparently backed by EOS collateral sitting on smart contracts. USDT is leveraging underlying EOS cryptocurrency and aims to add extra liquidity to the market. USDT currently has a market cap of 2.6 million US dollars. Now let us talk about DeFi payments. Tornado Cash is a DeFi payment protocol that allows anonymous transfers of Ether or other ERC20 tokens. The anonymity is achieved by breaking the on-chain link between source and destination addresses. It uses a smart contract that accepts ETH deposits that can be withdrawn by a different address to preserve privacy. Tornado Cash protocol is fully decentralized and owned by the community. By using the platform, users receive Torn, the governance token of the Tornado platform. At last, let us talk about DeFi insurance. One such platform is Nexus Mutual. Nexus Mutual is a decentralized insurance protocol built on Ethereum that offers insurance for DeFi products. Nexus Mutual is not an insurance company. The mutual is entirely run by the members, and membership rights are represented by tokens. Tokens can be used to purchase covers, that is insurance covers, as well as participate in claims assessment, underwriting and governance. All funds raised from token purchases belong to the members. So we can see that many green shoots in the decentralized finance ecosystem. Most of the DeFi use cases currently focus only on the crypto ecosystem. We can expect that soon DeFi systems start interacting with the fiat economy and start offering decentralized products for fiat currency assets. With this is Sam Ghosh. Bye bye.